welcome back to the channel. While all the headlines are screaming about Bitcoin dropping to $86,000 and the Bank of Japan causing a global market shakeup, there is a massive story developing in the world of Ethereum that most people are completely missing. Just today, Ethereum developers released the final details for a major upgrade coming on January 7th, 2026. That's only 3 weeks away. Let us break down why this is the midterm catalyst every single investor needs to be watching right now. First, before we even talk about the upgrade, we have to look at why Ethereum is red today, right alongside Bitcoin. The cause is simple. Global macro fears, like the Bank of Japan's potential rate hike, are forcing investors to sell what they see as risk-on assets. The effect is that Ethereum's price is being dragged down by this general market panic. It's crucial to understand this is purely a sentiment drop, not a fundamental failure of Ethereum itself. Now, here's the cause and effect that could change everything come January. The cause is the upgrade itself. In just 3 weeks, Ethereum is launching a new phase that will significantly improve network efficiency and reduce gas fees even further. This isn't just some small patch. It's a major structural upgrade that makes Ethereum faster, cheaper, and way more attractive for big institutions. So, what's the likely effect on market demand? First, anticipation. Smart investors always try to buy the news before it happens. As we get closer to January 7th, the demand for ETH is expected to rise as people want to get in before the upgrade actually goes live. Second, a potential supply squeeze. Major upgrades often involve changes in how ETH is burned or staked. If more ETH gets locked up or used by the network, the available supply on exchanges drops. The result is simple economics. High demand plus low supply often equals a price surge. This brings us to the logic of why this matters so much right now. Why are people searching for Ethereum 2026 today during a market crash? It's because when the market is bleeding like it is today, savvy investors look for a reason to stay. This January upgrade acts as a sort of price magnet. It gives holders a solid reason to ignore the short-term Bitcoin dip because they know a massive fundamental improvement is coming in just 21 days. So, what's the strategy for midterm investors looking at Ethereum for the next month? You should expect some noise and volatility because of the Bank of Japan and Bitcoin's ongoing struggle. But the pivot is key. As we head into the last week of December, the entire narrative will likely shift from market crash to Ethereum upgrade countdown. The big takeaway here is this. The market might look red and scary today, but Ethereum is building something huge behind the scenes. History has shown us that major network upgrades are often the biggest catalysts for price action. While Bitcoin is fighting to hold 86,000, Ethereum is preparing for what could be its biggest month in 2026. Do you just look at the price today? Look at where the technology is going in 3 weeks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.